Omuzaano y'abeegi bayetabamu arimo kwiruka n'omupiira gw'ebigyere kandi tiimu y'ekinekye yasinga ekinyansi omu kwiruka rero abakinekye basinga ba buru aha gooro 2-0 okubaasa kutwara ekikopo.
Actually my favorite color, and I find it inspiring because the sky is also blue, and I also have wonderful teachers.
They are supposed to play passes. That's the only difference in yellow. But in God we trust we shall make it.
We are the champions of the day. I'm the captain for girls. As I told you, I was from Ageihangwe.
Red for brotherhood! Red for brotherhood!
Red is a good team. It's nice, and the best thing about Red is that we do teamwork. We are all determined to win.
Red is that we are very interested in all of those sports that we are participating to win in all sports.
Green for environment! Green for environment!
Mwene rizoba twatwine sports day twantureba abana bitu omuby'emizaano tubagunjura omuzaano tubagunjura n'Obwegyese byona nibigenda mu rundu gumwe mwe twagira emizaano rizoba emizaano yo kwirukanga emizaano yo kutera empiira byona twabikorera izoba so tugeza aho korera ngo tukore talents z'abana tuzongere yo misho baba bakiro ko misho no mpira nibaguzana kurungi barengo baguza muri bazana kandi baberengo baba physical fit omu rucumu cyona
Ito stars no muga gwitu nkishomero kutungura entaranta.
Ebyo bikiryaho ligi y'ihanga y'empaka z'amatendekero agaza University abwa season 2025-2026 egwirwaho nyuma abazyo ombutongore aho timu ya Chambogo University singira ba Isbata gori biraryemo omuzaano guzanwa Kishayi Ham Stadium na Kivubo. Yo Uganda Mataza na Kampala University zigwire kikazi busha erizoba Uganda Mataza University Nkozi yasingwa abandeje ahagoro emwaru busha empakezi nezo garukamu aha Sunday Mbarara University erukutayayira KIU.